Activity 2. A. Homemade housefly or honeybee trap. Listen to the following steps. Mosquitoes and flies are nasty pests. They spread malaria, cholera, and typhoid. We have swarms of flies and mosquitoes in monsoon and winter. We try to kill them, but it is very difficult to catch a fly or a mosquito. So, we become the victims of their bites. We apply many insecticides, but they are not much effective. Here is an easy solution. We can prepare a trap to catch and kill the flies and mosquitoes. It is a simple trap. To make this trap, we require the following things. 1. An empty plastic bottle of water. 2. A pair of scissors. 3. Sellotape or gum tape. 4. Dishwashing liquid and water. 5. Food items. Very small pieces of apple. 5 grams of sugar and a few drops of lemon juice. Follow the instructions. 1. Take a plastic bottle. Cut it into 2 pieces as shown in the picture. 2. Remove the cap first. Turn the small piece upside down. Put the neck part into the bottle. 3. Attach the 2 parts with the staple or a piece of tape. 4. Put or drop the food at the bottom of the bottle. Our device, the mosquito trap, is ready. Hang it inside your house or room. How it works. Sugar water, dishwashing liquid, and other food items will attract the flies and mosquitoes. They will enter the trap. They will fall into the liquid. Their wings will be wet. They will not be able to fly back. Note, the distance between the upside down neck and the liquid at the bottom should not be more than 2 cm.